Starting with the great name of Allah, who is the most merciful and beneficent. Welcome to lecture number 7 of Pakistan Studies for grade 9. This is your Pakistan Studies book. So open your Pakistan Study book. Open chapter number 4, History of Pakistan. Now open page number 66 of chapter number 4 of your Pakistan Studies book. Today's topic is role of Quaid azam and liaquat Khan in the stability of the country. Page number 66. Topic name is role of Quaid azam and liaquat Khan in the stability of the country. Page number 66. Open. Hurry up. आपके साथ अपनी हाइलाइटर भी होनी चाहिए और पेंसिल वगैरह सब कुछ होनी चाहिए जो मीनिंग्स हो या कुछ और उसके ऊपर लिखने हो, जो एक्स्ट्रा नॉलेज हो या कोई डिफिनेशन हो, तो आपके साथ अपनी पेंसिल और हाइलाइटर होनी चाहिए. इंपॉर्टेंट डेट्स वगैरह को आपने हाईलाइट करना है. हाईलाइटेड इंपॉर्टेंट डेट्स एंड इवेंट्स फ्रॉम हाईलाइटर. ओके. Page number 66. Page number 66 of your Pakistan Studies book. Topic is role of Quaid azam and liaquat Khan in the stability of the country. Quaid azam और लियाकत अली खान का रोल किरदार क्या रहा स्टेबिलिटी ऑफ द कंट्री, मुल्क की स्टेबिलिटी की तरफ उनकी किरदार क्या रहा. quaid azam का और लियाकत अली खान का किरदार क्या रहा. Before starting lecture, I will explain this in few words. Listen. Role of Quaid azam and liaquat Ali Khan. Role of Quaid azam and liaquat Ali Khan in the stability of the country. When it comes to an achievement or to bring quality and stability for a country, role of competent leaders. Role of competent leaders cannot be denied in the scenario after establishment of Pakistan on 14 August 1947. Quaid azam and liaquat Ali Khan personalities proved to be a guiding line, a guiding light towards stability of the country. How? Such as paving the way for constitution making. How? The way for the constitution making and to move the country to a legal setup. Quaid azam guiding principle are the following. First of all, establishment of refugees relief fund for the rehabilitation of refugees, more allocation of budget for defense, instructed civil servant to perform duties as a servant of people, establishment of society based on equality and social justice. Which type of society? Establishment of such type of society based on equality and social justice. Education for the youth will pave the way towards development. Due to the efforts of Quaid azam and liaquat Ali Khan. Due to the efforts of Quaid azam and liaquat Ali Khan, Pakistan became a member of UN. And after that, 1947, bilateral relation of Pakistan were established with many countries. Foreign policy of Pakistan was based on friendly relations with neighbor and Muslim countries. Now explain this. First of all, you have to learn the guiding principle of Qadiyazam. What were the guiding principle of Qadiyazam? First of all, establishment of refugees fund. For which purposes? For the rehabilitation of refugees that came from India side toward Pakistan. And another, allocated greater part of budget to defense. This is very important. Point data, Qaid-e-Azam allocated greater part of the budget to defense and also want to resolve the dispute with India and Afghanistan in that time peacefully. Now, he also given the guiding principle that avoid from provincial and racial prejudice. Avoid from provincial and racial prejudice. Society based on equality and social justice. So the other one to establish such type of society which was based on equality and social justice, not discriminated on the basis of his race and society or in any other role of young generation. Avoid politics. These were the guiding principles. Now we will explain further one by one. Now, the first Governor General of Pakistan, Qaid-e-Azam, and first Prime Minister. Note that first Prime Minister was Liaquat Ali Khan. Not only made constitutional efforts in the freedom movement and for the establishment of Pakistan, but also made the country stable by working hard day and night. Liaquat Ali Khan not only made constitutional efforts for the stability of the country, but also made the country stable by working hard day and night. Continue struggle for the stability of the country, but serving the country for 1 year and 25 days. The founder, the father of the nation, who was the father of the nation, Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, died on 11 September 1948. Unluckily, Qaid-e-Azam died on 11 September 1948, and after his death, the constitution making process became slow. During the little period of 1 year, Qaid-e-Azam joined with Liaquat Ali Khan taking such steps through which many problems of the government of Pakistan would overcome. Joint mean combined with Liaquat Ali Khan. सच स्टेप्स वर टेकिंग ऐसी इकदाम ली गई उस वक्त गवर्नमेंट की मुश्किलात में कुछ कमी आ गई इसी वजह से. Now, guiding principle highlighted by Qaid-e-Azam are the following. For the stability of the country, Qaid-e-Azam gave his guiding principle for the stability of the newly independent state. What were the guiding principle of Qaid-e-Azam? Now open your new page number 67. First point. Rehabilitation of the refugees. He not only persuaded the people to be patient but also took practical steps for their settlement. For example, establish refugees relief fund. For the rehabilitation, Qaid-e-Azam not only persuaded the people to be patient means sabr, but also took practical, ना सिर्फ ये कहा कि सबर से काम ले, but also took practical step for their settlement. कुछ अमली इक़दामात भी किए. Took practical step for which steps were taking for the rehabilitation of these refugees. Establish refugees relief fund. in that time. The permanent rehabilitation of these refugees was not an easy job for Pakistan for that time of the government. Provision of food, residence, medical, and job, etc., all were necessary to these people. What type? Food, residence, medical, aid, and job, etc., all were necessary to these people. The government, in spite of her limited resources, housed the refugees in temporary camps and arrangements were made to best for their settlement. उस वक्त की गवर्नमेंट ने क्या किया, उन लोगों के लिए लिमिटेड रिसोर्सेस के बावजूद भी वहां उनके लिए कैंप्स लगाए गए कि वहां पर ये लोग रहें। ये एक कठिन मरहला था पाकिस्तान के लिए, बहुत मुश्किल था। इनकी आबादकारी, इनकी बहाली जो थी, उस वक्त कायद आज़म ने कुछ ऐसे सूल अपनाए, मतलब कुछ ऐसे स्टेप्स अपनाए, उसी के बेस पर उन्होंने क्या किया, एस्टैब्लिश रिफ्यूजीज रिलीफ फंड। रिलीफ फंड का क्या, जो साहिब हैसियत लोग थे उस वक्त, वो इसमें वो अपने अतियात जमा करते थे, उसको वो रिफ्यूजीज पर, बहाली पर फिर वो लगाते थे। नेक्स्ट, keeping in view the problem of the safety of the country. More important, greater part of the budget was specified for the defense of the country. He tried to solve the dispute with India and Afghanistan peacefully. To solve the dispute with India and Afghanistan peacefully. Now, second problem, to solve the defense problem of the country, Qaid-e-Azam in that time allocated greater part of the budget for the defense of the country. And he also wanted that to try solve the dispute with India and Afghanistan peacefully through table talks, not through war, any conflict. Wanted peacefully. डिफेंस जो था बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट थी कंट्री के लिए, उसी को मद्देनजर रखते हुए कायद आज़म ने अलॉटेड किया ज्यादा हिस्सा दे दिया, किस चीज के लिए, डिफेंस के लिए। और वो चाहते थे कि जो डिस्प्यूट है, जो इशू है इंडिया के साथ, जो डिस्प्यूट चल रही है और जो अफगानिस्तान के साथ, वो पीसफुली हल हो। Now I will explain this through the map. Now look at the map of Pakistan. In that time, you look at one side is India and on the other side Afghanistan is located. Here the issue bases on with Pakistan, the dispute with Pakistan on Kashmir issue. यहाँ पर इनके साथ कश्मीर इशू चल रहा था बॉर्डर पर। यहाँ पर ये डिस्प्यूट उनके साथ, क्योंकि रिलेशन अच्छे नहीं थे। इन दैट टाइम रिलेशन ऑफ इंडिया एंड पाकिस्तान वर टू बैड। एंड आल्सो अफगानिस्तान के साथ क्या था, ड्यूरलैंड इशू जो चल रहा था उस वक्त। तो इसी को हल करने के लिए, क्योंकि अगर हम देखें तो थ्रेट था हमारे लिए, तो इस वक्त कायद आज़म ने डिफेंस प्रॉब्लम को हल करने के लिए, टू सॉल्व द डिफेंस प्रॉब्लम, ही अलॉटेड ग्रेटर पार्ट ऑफ द बजट फॉर द डिफेंस ऑफ द कंट्री, एंड ही आल्सो वांटेड टू सॉल्व द डिस्प्यूट विद इंडिया पीसफुली through table talks, and also the Durand Line issue with Afghanistan. That's the issue of that time of the government.